Hi everybody, my name's Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters today to show you a great new trailer that we got from Coachmen. This is the 19 FBS. It's a small trailer with a lot of really big features. And so let's take a look inside and I'll show it to you. Follow me. All right, got a nice big grab handle here so it's easy to get in and out. Now this trailer is designed to give you a lot of stuff in a small space. It's a very lightweight trailer, very easy to pull. So if you have one of these light SUVs or light trucks and you're looking for something that might be towable, this could easily be the rig for you. Now, one of the things that's nice about this, they finally started going to some new colors. We've got a light ash to the interior woods, and it's not so dark. It's not all dark cherry and black walnuts. I'm really excited to have some new colors to show. Now this one here has a bed that goes across and the TV is up here, so you can lay in bed, you watch TV, but that TV will also articulate around so you can see it where your seating area is. It has a home theater system. It plays all of the DVD, and it'll Bluetooth to your phone for your audio. It'll do a lot of cool stuff. This is kind of unusual. I've never seen this in a trailer so small. This is an electric fireplace. Now, when they first came out with these, I thought, oh my gosh, what are they going to think of next? Who needs an electric fireplace? They're great, because if you have a campsite that has a hookup, you can turn this on and you can heat this whole place up and be very comfortable without burning any propane and without listening to the furnace run. It's so much quieter. Plus it gives off a nice orange glow. It can be really romantic if you want that. So that's a good thing. I really like this. Down here we've got a stovetop. We've got great storage down here. Oh, and it does have the propane furnace, don't get me wrong, it's right down there, but this way we can heat with electric or propane. I should have said that. Look under here, metal drawer guides and plywood drawers, very strong and durable. It's got a huge sink. Great big sink, you could wash people in there. And this is kind of cool, it comes with a cutting board. I mean, you can set that over your stovetop and cover that and use that as extra counter space. Take a look at this. We've got a drawer that goes around the sink and it's designed to go around that plumbing and give you silverware storage. People are always like, where am I going to put my silverware? There's no drawers. Not this trailer. Now, when you're really small, you sometimes have to make a few choices about what not to have in the trailer. Dinette booths take up a lot of room. And you can't do too many different things with a dinette booth. They're kind of using up all that space. This one here, we've got a freestanding table. I can take that outside or even leave it down. You know, quite frankly, I don't use the dining room in my house. We're usually in the living room when we eat. And we got a nice couch. And this folds down. It's a jackknife sofa, and it lays down and makes a bed. So even though this is a little trailer, it'll easily camp a family of 4. Now let's look at the bathroom. So the bathroom in here is great. First of all, you can see it's very light and bright. It's got a big skylight in there. It has a porcelain toilet. It has a medicine cabinet. You know, I show the Coachmen products and the bigger ones have all the same stuff. So they've done a really great job of designing this to get all of the important features in. Most trailers this size, some of them don't even have a bathroom sink. So here we've got a nice large refrigerator freezer. Another thing you don't get in trailers this size typically. Usually they're a small 3 cubic foot single door fridge, and there's some pantry space too. And on our way out the door, I want to be sure and point out this has a built-in garbage can. You're always looking for a place to get your stuff. I've got in mine I've got a little 5-gallon bucket. I'm always trying to figure out where I want to put it to have it be out of the way. This has a permanent location for that. I think that's a great idea. So let's take a look around the outside. Now the thing that's cool about this, and this is proof positive that it's a very lightweight trailer, single axle trailer. So that means this trailer does not weigh too much. It's going to be very easy for you to pull with almost any vehicle. We've got power awning up here, and there's a LED light strip in that, and so when you turn on the lights for the awning, you get a lot of really good light in your outside area here. This is another fantastic feature. They finally figured out a way to do portable solar panels. In the old days, we always had to build them into the trailer, screw them into the roof, wire them in. Lots of labor and lots of cost involved. And then when you sold your trailer, you gave up your solar panel. Now we use portables. We could plug them in here and recharge our batteries all day long. And then I can take them and I can use them elsewhere. I can use them on my car or down at the boat dock. And I don't have to worry about all the extra holes being maintained in my roof. So the solar panels being portable is a great advancement in trailers. Look right down here. We've got a power tongue jack. And that's going to make it easy to load and unload. You just hit a button and it goes up and down. It doesn't take any muscles. And then look right here. If you're trying to be small, and especially if you're trying to fit into a small parking space at your house, when you have the spare tire in the back, it makes the trailer longer. So they move the tire up here in the front. That distributes its weight a little better, and it also makes the trailer shorter. Great to see that spare tire carrier in the front under the A-frame of the trailer. I also want to mention, this has a full enclosure for the front. This end cap here is much more resilient to weather. It's not as likely to leak, and it won't deteriorate in the sun by delaminating the way some trailers will. So that's a really, really good feature. Also in the sidewall on this trailer, this is an all aluminum frame trailer. In that sidewall there's a special material called Asdel that is in place of wood. And wood is what's under almost every fiberglass sided trailer you look at. It's funny, you think you're getting an aluminum frame trailer, but it's still got wood all the way around. But in this trailer they use Asdel, and Asdel's not wood, it's a composite, it's waterproof, it's not biodegradable, and it makes my wall much, much more durable. So I love that about this trailer. Now let's take a look over here. Kind of nice to see we've got a little magnet clip now instead of those old plastic springy ones. And so our lid stays out of the way, but nothing gets broken. There's great storage all the way through there. And then right here, I just want to mention, this has a slide out, but it's not a very big one. So I can run it out in my driveway, or I can get into a goofy little campsite, and I can get in between trees that other people can't get in. It's really nice. And with this particular floor plan, if you should decide to use it with the slide in, like let's say you're in a rest area and you want to go and make a sandwich or take a nap, just leave it in. You don't even have to get it out. It doesn't cover up anything important in the trailer. Just gives you extra room when you need it. Just a couple little details back here I want to point out. This does have an outside shower, so you've got hot and cold running water. You can wash your hands right when you get done with the sewer system. Sometimes that's a great thing to have going on. And also, this has a sewer flush, so after I dump out my waste tank, then I can hook a hose to this and I can double flush out my tank, and that means that I won't have to service it. It doesn't get odors or any kind of residual materials left in there. It's a really good idea to have that. As you look up at the back here, you can see that there's a nice crown to the roof. Now, a lot of your little trailers that have low profile designs and that are lightweight, some of them have flat roofs, and there's no way for water to run off. It can kind of stack up there. This has great water runoff. So anyway, I like this trailer a bunch, and I hope you like the trailer too. If you have a question about it or you want to know anything else, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Matt.Elliott, and my number is 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you have a great day.